Hello everybody, welcome back to the WillssFX channel. Today we're back with a popular video on my channel. So in the past I've done these sort of account flip series. I've gone from the £10 to the £1,000, taken the £1,000 into £10,000, and you guys love that. I've done little ones as well, like £10 to £340. I think I did the £25 to £250 as well in one day trading. So very popular series on my channel so far, so we're going to carry that on and we're going to do the biggest one yet. Also, before we get into this video, if you do want another episode, then just be sure to smash 500 likes on the video. If we don't get 500 likes, there will not be another episode of this series, so you'll never know if it went to the 100k. So be sure to like and subscribe on the video. Also, all these trades that I am actually taking are sent to the VIP group. Pop up some screenshots here of the signals that are actually sent of the trades that I've taken. Back to the video. On the account I'm currently trading, the deposit was a total of £3,700. I did start with a lower amount, but then I added more in so I could use the higher lots to trade US30. It wouldn't have actually let me due to, say I had drawdown on one of the trades, then we probably would have got margin called because of the lot sizes I was using at the start. But now I've toned it down a little bit. And now we've got that capital behind us, we've got that margin. Now we can play with the profit that we've got. And yeah, I'm going to show you what happened with the account. So we are actually in a trade right now, and I'll show you that first on the charts to show you what I'm looking for on the gold chart basically next week. So obviously this week we had NFP, so yesterday, the Friday, we had NFP, and it did cause this massive spike up. And what happened? We had this massive drop down again. Based on the results that actually came out from the NFP, we do see gold going higher now. And after we did have this drop, we also created this massive 4-hour imbalance candle, and that also is another sign that we have to go higher, because as you know, when we create imbalance, we have to come back to fill that imbalance area. On this push up, we created all of this imbalance area here, and instantly was filled again by this big imbalance. So now what we can see price doing is, you see consolidation here because it was like the Friday evening. That's typically going to happen. But in this area here, I actually bought gold. Stop loss at 53-ish. So if I just put the risk to reward tool on, I bought at 56.5. Stop loss is at 17.53, and the target is this area here. So we've got a nice 1 to 6 there. You know, if this fits your plan and market opens after this video is up, could get a cheeky free signal. Let's just pray it goes right. Otherwise it's going to look a bit stupid if it doesn't. But you know, only a little 35 pip stop loss. I've got 2 lots on this one, so let's see how it goes. We are in a little bit of profit, you know, like a few pips profit so far. So also on this trade, the reason why we're targeting this area, like I said, it's the imbalance area, but also back here, look at this area. Absolute perfection. And what happened in this area again? We had a reversal. So we're looking for price to come back up to this area, hopefully. So then maybe we could see a pullback back down to then hopefully break this area and target the 1794, or even, you know, the psychological number of 1800. I have actually done a video on psychological levels, so go check that out on my channel. If we actually go through some of the trades I've taken on this account now. So I have had some big trades and I have had some fairly big losses as well. With using the big lot sizes, if you lose a few trades in a row, then it does kind of add up. But luckily the risk to reward is good, and the wins are obviously always bigger than the losses. I'm just going to show you one of my trades that made us £1,000 on gold. The thing with using big lot sizes, you don't need massive moves. But then when you do catch a big move, you're going to make serious money. When price was back here, this is when I actually sent to my VIP group that we're going to sell gold at this area. So we predicted price to come back up to then get this tool, come back up, around this area, we're going to enter a sell, and then we're going to drop back down. And we were actually waiting for this area here. And what did price do? You know, it was teasing. It came back up so close. You know, 10 pips away from our actual stop sell area where I was going to sell. And then what did price do? We had this big drop down, and then came back up, tapped us in. I sent the sell signal, screenshot is there, and then we were in trade. And I actually closed this trade at, I think, 3%, 3R. So when it was at, when it was at 3%, I don't know when that was, but as you see, it came so close to our stop loss as well, but didn't stop us out. But on this account here, I closed at, I think, 57-ish, so around this area here. My entry was up here, and for this trade, I'll put a screenshot up here. We did actually make £1,000. I think we made like £1,051.91. So hey guys, so you have the MT4 here. You have the balance at pretty much under 10k, and then you have, if we go from the start, you see from 2020, that's just the easiest way to do it. So the start here, we did actually, you know, make a few losses. Let me just scroll through. You can see then we made the 2.4k deposit, more trades, and here was the big US30 trade. So we had a nice 2k profit on there. Scroll down, and here are last trades. So we've got US30 sell, and we've got a gold 1k profit, bringing the account to 6k profit overall. That's where we're loving life. If we quickly go over here, you can see that is the live account on the Axie broker, and the profit and the account balance are all on the same account. And obviously be sure to follow my only Instagram account that is there. Be sure to give us a follow. I post on my charts and trades. Give us a follow over there. The aim for this account is obviously £100,000, and do I think we can get there? Absolutely. What I'm going to do when we get to 15k, I'm going to take out the original deposit of the 3.7k, leaving us on 11.3k. So the whole account is then profit. So any money we do make on the account, or any losses we make, are just from profit. Because I think that's the best way to do these account flips. Say you don't have a lot of money, maybe put £10 in, put £100 in. Trade that account to, let's say, £1,000. Take out, let's say, £150. So you've got your initial £100 deposit, you've got your £50 profit. So you've made profit on the account. You've made 50% on your money, and then all the money in the account that you're left trading is £850 just profit. So the psychology will improve, because you'll see and realize all this money hasn't come out of my pocket. All this money is profit anyway. So if I lose it, then I'm just losing my profit. If I blow the account now, I'm still profitable overall from this account. So that's what I personally would do if you're trying to learn how to trade and you don't have a lot of money. Put £100 into £1,000, and then try to get that £1,000 to £10,000. Then when you're at that £10,000, maybe don't try and flip that to 100k. Obviously you could if you think you can do it, but it does take a lot of risk. When you're at 10k, that's a good number to stay at. So say you go up to 12k, take out the 2k, leave it at 10k. Go up to 11k, take out 1k, leave it at 10k. Or what you could do is, say you make 2k, take out, let's say, 10-20% of profit for that week or that month, and then you'll be loving life on the account, getting that nice compound growth. If we go through another pair, so we had US30 as well. We had US30, and we did predict this whole move up. We predicted this whole move. So for US30, you can see here on the 5th of October, I sent this. Price is going to come down into this zone, and then we're going to go to the 34,958 target. That was on the 5th of October. And look, this is what I predicted. Price would come down to here, come up to this target here, like this. exactly like that, as you can see from the screenshot. What did price do? Came down, tapped the zone, went up to the target around 10,000 pips. Loving life on this trade. You know, GA, a lot of people on my mentorship actually caught this GA sell from this zone here. You know, the secret stuff's going on, and that's how they caught this trade. You know, shorts from this area here. But the pairs I mostly trade, you know, you've got US 30, you've got gold, and they're the ones we're absolutely destroying. My best trade on the account was actually £2,000, and that was, I'm pretty sure, this buy here. I could be wrong, but it is quite hard to find everything that's going on. But it was an evening, and US 30 was in my zone. I got a really tight stop loss on this one, so I entered the trade. I will pop up a screenshot here, rather than try and find it on the account, because it's very cluttered. But yeah, we did make £2,000 on the one US 30 trade, which was the biggest trade on the account. I have had a few losses on the account. You know, we did trade NFP, which wasn't the best, but you know, bounced back, and we're overall a lot in profit, so I'm not complaining. But yeah, NFP did set us back a little bit. I don't think it was this NFP, it was the NFP before, because I didn't trade this NFP on Friday. I just sat back and watched it happen. If you do want the video, then smash 500 likes on this video, and I will keep you updated on the account. And be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.